Are you prepared for the worst? In this video, we're revealing the best Doomsday survival gear and prepper gadgets you need in 2025. Whether you're getting ready for SHTF scenarios, building a bug-out bag, or upgrading your emergency preparedness kit, these are the most reliable survival tools and tactical gear you can get right now on Amazon. From multifunctional gadgets and off-grid power solutions to compact EDC tools and disaster-ready equipment, this is the ultimate survival gear list for any serious prepper. Without further ado, let's get started. Staying warm in the wild or during emergencies requires reliable, natural insulation that holds up against the elements. The woolly Mammoth merino wool blanket is crafted from 80% premium real sheep wool, offering exceptional warmth, breathability, and comfort. Measuring 66 inches by 90 inches and weighing 4 pounds. This thick throw is ideal for cold weather, camping, hiking, survival, or use at home. Naturally fire and water resistant, it's built for rugged use with thick whip stitch edging and durable polyester thread. This twin-size blanket is a timeless essential, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, military personnel, or anyone who needs dependable warmth in unpredictable environments. Extreme environments demand technology that's as tough as you are and built to endure. The AEL Rugged Phone delivers unmatched durability and performance with its 10,600 mAh battery, 6.5 2-inch display, and Android 14 system. Built to military standards, this waterproof phone is IP68/IP69K certified and MIL STD 810H tested. Ideal for camping, hiking, diving, or demanding outdoor work. It features 16 GB of RAM plus 64 GB of ROM, a 13-megapixel camera, a powerful 90 decibel loudspeaker, and global GPS support. With NFC support for Google Pay and a new permission system, it ensures safety, privacy, and seamless multitasking wherever adventure takes you. When darkness or emergencies strike, reliable illumination is essential for safety and efficiency. Introducing the Tunen GS22 Dual Mode Flashlight, a high-performance, rechargeable EDC tool delivering up to 1,200 lumens and a 158-meter beam. Crafted from rugged, anodized aircraft-grade aluminum, it's waterproof and 1.5-meter drop resistant. It features dual switches, a magnetic tail button for hands-free use, and a versatile side Kobe light with 3000K yellow, red, and flashing modes. The two-way clip design ensures easy attachment, while the UV mode is perfect for detecting pet stains or banknotes. Ideal for outdoor adventures, maintenance, emergencies, fishing, and climbing. This compact flashlight does it all. When power outages or harsh outdoor conditions strike, reliable lighting becomes crucial for safety and visibility. Introducing the Gloucent Camping Lantern, a survival-level rechargeable lantern built to handle extreme weather and emergencies. With a 5000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 80 hours of illumination and a powerful 1200 lumens output across 106 LEDs. It offers 5 adjustable brightness levels, 3 color modes, and an SOS function for emergency signaling. Compact and easy to carry, it fits effortlessly into any hiking or emergency kit. Waterproof with drop protection, this lantern recharges via USB-C and supports solar or portable power banks, making it the ideal lighting solution for hiking, hurricanes, and disaster preparedness. Facing daily challenges or unpredictable moments outdoors demands a compact, reliable tool that's always within reach. Introducing the CRKT Minimalist Bowie Neck Knife, a lightweight, fixed-blade essential designed for those who prefer to stay prepared. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade takes an edge easily, while the bead blast finish reduces glare. The resin-infused fiber handle delivers both strength and visual appeal, ensuring a secure grip. Equipped with a durable thermoplastic sheath, it offers versatile mounting options for neck or gear carry. Whether for utility or defense, this compact knife is built for decisive action, crafted for those who shape their world, not just accept it. When facing the wilderness or tackling tough jobs, having a reliable, multi-purpose tool can make all the difference. Meet the OK Knife Oticle, a one survival hatchet, a 4-in-1 full-tang tactical axe combining a hatchet, hammer, pry bar, and nail puller into one rugged tool. Built with tough 50 chromium 15 molybdenum vanadium stainless steel, it ensures strength and durability in the harshest environments. The G10 non-slip grip provides control and comfort during use, while the durable Kydex sheath includes a built-in adjustable belt clip for secure, hands-free carry. Whether you're camping, working outdoors, or handling emergencies, this compact tomahawk delivers unmatched functionality and performance in one solid package. Everyday tasks and outdoor adventures demand a compact tool that delivers versatility without bulk. The Martin lightweight multi-tool pliers combine 11 essential functions in one stainless steel pocket-sized device, making it a true toolbox on your belt. It includes needle nose pliers, a wire cutter, a saw, Phillips and flat screwdrivers, a knife blade, a rope cutter, a bottle opener, a can opener, and a carabiner. Its durable construction features hardened, heat-treated stainless steel for long-lasting use and a 3D machined grip for a non-slip hold. A special safety lock keeps tools securely open during use, while a spring-loaded design makes operation smooth. Carry it easily with the included sheath and clip,